Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're thinking to yourself, wow, she looks great today, that makes two of us. Thank you. I'm showing you guys my unfriendly black hottie makeup look, aka my go-to extra glam. This is the makeup look I go to when I just need to remind the world, but most importantly, remind myself who I am, okay? I need to remind Nyra who Nyra is. I need to get Nyra back in the zone of being like, look, you are too good for this. You're too good to be taking this from people, and you need to snap out of it. If you don't know, the term unfriendly black hottie came from the movie Mean Girls. She was describing the different cliques, and she's like, over there are the band geeks, over there are the plastics, over there are the unfriendly black hotties. And it was just this lunch table that was a clique full of like bomb black girls, and it was just beautiful. And it's like, of all the iconic quotes that the movie Mean Girls has given us, I think that may be my favorite, because unfriendly black hottie is like, it's like, how else would I describe myself? This is that makeup look for me. This is like home for me. This is comfort. This is my go-to baddie glam. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join the fam. We are very tight-knit and very vocal, and we have a lot of fun, and I'm always DMing y'all on Instagram, and we're always talking. It's just so much fun around these parts of town. And if y'all want to see me get into this makeup look, then obviously keep watching. It like feels so good to be filming in my living room. I don't think I've ever filmed, I filmed like bits and pieces of videos in here. I've never filmed a full video in my living room, but I am sitting on an all white shag rug, so I need to be careful. And if you watch my videos, you know I'm a klutz. I'm always dropping something or breaking something, so this will be a challenge, okay? All right, usually I do my brows off camera, but I'm doing my brows on camera because I do them a little bit differently now, and that definitely contributes to like the beat face that I go for. So I'm taking my e.l.f. lock-on liner and brow cream. I'm in the shade medium brown. This is really cheap, and it's a really good brow pomade. And so I used to like create a bunch of hair. I used to like create the illusion that my brows started further in than they actually did. I don't do that anymore, or like I haven't recently. Recently, I've been just like starting my brows where they actually start, and it looks so much more natural. Obviously, anytime you follow your natural brow shape, it just looks so much more natural. I feel like it has been pulling my brows and like my whole look together lately, so I've been doing that. I used to like hate, or I'm gonna be honest, I still half do. Like, I still half hate my natural brow shape, but I like that my makeup looks a lot cleaner when I just follow my natural brow shape. I mean, obviously, Stevie Wonder could have saw that. You know, that's a no-brainer. Anyone who does makeup knows if you just follow your natural brow shape, it's always going to look cleaner. Okay, so when I'm really trying to feel cute, I go for a specific color, and that's pink. Pink is one of my absolute favorite colors. Pink is the color that represents fabulousness to me. Taking the James Charles Morphe palette, because I'm addicted to this palette. I cannot get enough of it. It is like my favorite colorful palette. I have not bought another colorful palette since I've owned this one, because I feel like I don't even need one. This one has every color I can imagine. Okay, I'm taking this beautiful pink shade here, and we're gonna build that up in my crease. This look will probably be a cut crease, because I am obsessed with cut creases, or like a half cut crease. That's what I'm like, that's really my jam. If I'm trying to feel myself, I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So I'm gonna take this pink and just put it in my crease, and then we're going to cut a half cut crease. I want you guys to tell me, what's your like go-to like glam? Like, if you just need to feel yourself, what is the color scheme, or like the product, or like what do you go for when you're just like, all right, they must have forgot who I was, so let me show y'all. You know what though, I've been going like that a lot lately. I've been like, do y'all not know who I am? Like, not even in a cocky way, but just like, I don't know, I feel like people been acting crazy with me, like disrespectful. And like, anybody who knows me in real life knows I'm a very hot and cold person. I'm either very sweet, very respectful until you make me act the exact opposite. Like, then it's like, what's good, you know? And I feel like people are trying to push me there lately. I know it sounds crazy to some people, but like makeup really is therapeutic and like emotional for me. Like, I have a genuine, deep connection with makeup. And I know some people just don't get it, but I also know that a lot of people do get it. And sometimes I just need makeup to help me calm down, you know, to refocus me, help me meditate in a way. I love myself in pink eyeshadow the most. Like, no color on me hits the way that pink eyeshadow does. Pink eyeshadow, like, straight up hits different on my face. I'm surprised that my dog isn't barking out of his mind right now. If I'm like not giving him attention and we're on the same floor in the house, he like cannot handle it in his cage, barking like crazy. He is almost, he's not 1 yet. He'll be 1 in 2 months, and he still has ridiculous separation anxiety, and I don't know how to break it. We're gonna do a half cut crease, taking the same concealer, and we're going to just do a cut crease on the lid. Oop, 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 I'm dropping stuff on my white rug. This part could go very good or very bad. And so I'm not gonna be talking to this part because this requires all my attention. I went into my 35B palette and found this shimmery, iridescent, like pink shade. This shade really reminds me of like those frosty eyeshadows that everyone did in the early 2000s. So hideous. But I think it'll look good with this look. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes, my foundation, and my concealer off camera, just because y'all, I always put my lashes on off camera, and y'all already know like what I do with my foundation, my concealer, all that. So okay, I'm back and I look significantly better. Lashes, foundation, concealer, and powder is on. So I'm gonna be showing you guys next the nose contour. When I am really feeling myself and I just need to like remind the world who I am, and most importantly remind myself who I am, I need to snatch my nose, okay? So I'm taking the e.l.f. What's this called? The e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I'm in the shade, this is the deep one, I think. I don't know, it doesn't matter. And I am just going to really bring my nose in. Now, honestly, on a daily basis, or like even if I'm trying to film myself, I do not contour my cheeks. I just don't. I compensate by putting blush like right above where I would contour, like on my cheekbones, but I don't contour my face usually. But next, like I said, blush. So I'm taking this blush here, these two, and mixing them. That's my favorite blush combo in the whole effing world. These two together are so bomb. And when I really need to feel my most confident, I put on a lot of blush. Blush is my happy place. Blush was made for brown girls, in my opinion. I think it's beautiful. I think blush looks so good on melanated skin. Like, yes, blush just screams unfriendly black hottie, does it not? Okay, and lastly, my lips. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite, absolute favorite lip combo. Kiss lip liner in the shade Wine. Yeah, Wine. And I overline just a little bit. We're gonna overline just a little bit, not too much. See, look, just to really like give my lips a little more shape, because my lips are big and round, but that's it. They don't really have a lot of shape. They're just like just round. And then I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. How did I never notice that before? I've been using this for a minute. This smells really good. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have fun talking with me, doing makeup with me, taking some tips from me, just watching me beat my face for the day. And if you did enjoy this video, leave me a like and a comment down below, and subscribe for more videos like this one and not like this one, because I'm mad versatile, okay? Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and if I don't see you on Instagram, I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna.